चलो बच्चों, आज हम पढ़ेंगे माई इंग्लिश बुक स्टैंडर्ड 8 की 2.1 पोएम एंड द टाइटल ऑफ द पोएम इज ट्राई अगेन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. द पोएम इज composed by W.E. Hickson. So let's read the poem. So I read the poem. Listen it carefully. It is a lesson you should heed. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear. For if you feel persevere, you will conquer, never fear. Try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, try again. If you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, it is no disgrace. Though we do not win the race, what should we do in that case? Try again. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. All that other folk can do, why with patience may not you? Only keep this rule in view. Try again. So students, now I will explain the summary of the poem. Listen it. The poet says that it is a lesson you should pay attention. Try again, it is a lesson. If you do any task and at first if you don't get success, then try again. Then your courage appear. Here courage appear means you can handle each and every situation courageously. That means your courage come into sight. If you will keep trying to achieve something, then you will conquer. Conquer means get success. You will get success. Okay. Never fear. The poet says that never fear, because fear is the state of mind. Only try and try until you get success. Further, the poet tells us once or twice maybe you fail, but don't be sad, don't be despair. That means poet advises us try continuously. If you would at last gain the victory or become successful, don't stop doing your efforts. You have to continuously efforts for doing well and better job. Try again and again. If you do any mistake, then don't feel shameful. Children, you know it that so many people are doing mistake in their life, but they avoid their mistake in future and try to get better and better life. So like that, you should not feel disgrace when you do any mistake. Though we do not win the race or get success, we have to be firm that we should not lose our hope. For getting success, we have to try again and again in such case. In next line, the poet suggests us that while doing any task, means any work, you feel sometimes that work is very hard. But when you try again and again, then you can make that work easy for you. So try again and again. And when your time comes, that time will give you the reward of your hard work. You have to think all the other people can do hard work for getting success. Then why not I? And with patience means without losing our hope, we should try again and again for getting success, and then we can make our future bright and better. So at last the poet suggests us what we have to do. We have to keep one rule in our mind. We have to keep one rule in our view. And which is that view? That try again and again until you get success. So children, what message do you get from the poem? The message is that you keep trying without a doubt patiently. Then you shall win. Then you shall get success. Okay.